Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us. My name is Donna. I'm the Director of Operations for Ezlogz ELD, here with our CEO, CJ Karman. Today, we are excited to share our game-changing partnership with EasyChat AI, making us the first ELD provider with integrated AI technology.
Hello, Donna. It's an absolute pleasure to be here today and to share our revolutionary AI with you all. Thank you for the introduction. And yes, EasyChat AI is a creative AI technology designed to enhance safety, reduce costs, and improve driver experience, one of the first self-learning machines for the logistics industry.
The EasyChat AI interface is user-friendly and intelligent. It is tiered support for different levels of driver experience. So new drivers, developing, and well-trained drivers will all benefit from this system. We'll showcase some of its amazing features today.
First, EasyChat AI sends notifications about compliance issues and offers actionable advice. Let's see it in action.
Welcome, driver. My name is Stacy. Let's start by ensuring your ELD device is connected. This will accurately record your driving data. Great! ELD device successfully connected.
With EasyChat AI in the co-pilot seat, drivers can navigate the roads with confidence. After connection, it continues with other necessary actions such as completing a pre-trip inspection.
Yes, it also sends notifications regarding violations and offers advice on how to rectify them, and we'll show an example.
Alert! You are approaching your hours of service limit in 30 minutes. Stop at Johnny's truck stop, 15 miles away, to avoid penalties and stay in compliance.
As you can see, EasyChat AI empowers drivers to address compliance issues quickly and effectively.
EasyChat AI also reminds drivers to sign off at the end of the day, and this helps maintain accurate records and compliance.
Beyond compliance, EasyChat AI also monitors and analyzes driver behavior. It provides immediate feedback and dangerous maneuvers, suggesting improvements and encouraging safer driving habits.
Let's see a sample.
Alert! Please avoid hard braking and sharp turns. Maintain a safe following distance and brake gradually for your safety.
It also provides reminders about posted speed limits and assists the driver with understanding the posted traffic signs.
Do we have a sample for that one?
Let's go ahead and play that.
Okay.
Friendly reminder. Please adhere to posted speed limits. This maintains safety and compliance with traffic laws.
With real-time feedback, EasyChat AI fosters safer and more responsible driving habits. It exemplifies the future of intelligent assistance in our industry.
Before we conclude our brief presentation, let's take another look at some of the features EasyChat AI will simplify, like, for instance, sending an EROD file. We understand that drivers often face challenges when driving and navigating from various applications and systems on the road that can be costly and lead to different violations and citations. Soon you will be able to integrate EasyChat AI with any ELD and TMS provider.
Yes, and we've made it incredibly simple for drivers to send an EROD file to an inspector. Instead of fumbling through multiple applications or menus, the driver can ask EasyChat AI verbally to assist them in the process.
Let's go ahead and demonstrate this feature.
Stacy, can you help me send a ROD file?
Certainly. But I see that you are missing a signature in the logbook for yesterday. Please sign. Your logbook is signed, generating EROD file. Your EROD file has been sent.
In conclusion, our partnership with EasyChat AI positions Ezlogz as a trailblazer in the ELD industry, offering an AI-integrated solution that transforms fleet operations. EasyChat AI is indeed revolutionizing the driver experience and the safety director's experience at the same time, providing professional support, reminders, and insights into driving behavior, leading to safer roads, improved efficiency, and better overall compliance.
Thanks so much for joining us today to learn a little bit more about EasyChat AI and Ezlogz ELD. AI technology is here and it's transforming driver management in the logistics and transportation industry.
Thank you.